Well, hello guys, here I am in a new video tutorial. Well, this video is about how to create your own diary. There are a lot of apps that can help you to create this, but my favorite one is Tumblr. So, right now, get prepared because I'm going to show you how to create one on Tumblr. Well, I'm going to show you since the beginning. First, you need to click on Google, Tumblr, obviously. Well, here's going to appear Tumblr, the information about Tumblr and everything about this stuff. Well, you're going to click on Tumblr, and first you need to create your own Tumblr account. But if you haven't, you need to create one and then you can log in whatever you want. Well, why did I choose this app? Well, I love Tumblr because it's like a more cool way to write every thought and express yourself like you want. You don't have any kind of frontier to stop your thoughts, so you can be like another person. But if you don't want to do that and you want to express yourself as you are, you can do it like this. You can write your own thoughts here. For example, I love Tumblr because I follow a lot of quotes accounts, and well, hi Trump. Like for example, this one that is like an inspirational kind of quote. So like this. Well, here are too many things to do. For example, follow another accounts, and well, I'm going to show you what is Tumblr basically. Here's the dashboard where you can find every stuff about the accounts that you follow. For example, well, quotes as I said, and images, fun images. And well, let's forget about that for a second. I don't know what was that. Well, then you can click on explore. When you click here, you're going to see like the most trending things like nowadays or in the moment. It changes like very constantly. For example, every second, every minute, every hour. It depends on the choices of the people that's going to change this. Well, if you can see, there's a lot of images. I'm going to look what I'm doing. I'm giving a like to it, and if I like it too much, I can reblock it. This is going to appear on my account, so I can add a text like way too cute. Well, and that's reblocked. Look how cute. Well, and here appears a lot of stuff that you can check constantly if you are like a very constant person in this app. Well, here's the inbox where you can get messages or even send messages. In my case, I have no messages because I don't message anyone. Here's a message that you send. Here's the one that you receive. Here's your activity. In this option, you're going to see how many people reblogged your post, how many people liked your post, and here is going to appear everything, how many followers you get in 1 week, and too many other things. Well, and here's the activity, and my account. I'm going to show you basically what's my account based on. Well, in my account I only have like too many images. Well, as I said, here's the image that I reblog. I have like food, clothes, quotes, like you see, yeah, songs, landscapes, because I love landscapes. And well, this is a way where you can share all the things that you like, so other people can come, and if they like your account, they can follow you and even comment on your post. And this is a way that people interact with each other by giving like and reblogging your post. So here's a lot of stuff. Yeah, as I said, quotes. Here I have a lot of quotes. Well, oh yeah, here's a part that I wanted to show you. This post I did it like last year because we have a homework to create our own experiences and diaries. Well, this app is very useful to this kind of post. Why? This is not like a very formal um, app because there are a lot of teenagers that create everything, every stuff, every funny stuff, and cool stuff that they can imagine. Well, and in this case, I wrote, how can I see my life in the future? And here I explain how could I see myself in like 10 years. And I describe my career, my house, how could I wanted to help my parents, and too many things. And I said that people can give like notes. Well, this is a like. I don't know who give like, but thank you. Well, here's my life, the angry moments of my life. That not too many, but okay. My life and sad moments. I don't remember. But if you say I give a tag, with this tag, people can find your post even more easy. Why? Because there are a lot of people that can give tags to, and when this happens, your post like make make a group with another post. So when a person search for encouragement, this post is going to appear there. That's the reason why people um, got like whole new level of popularity by this media. Well, my life in happy moments, it's very long, a lot of stuff. I think I did one of to the place that I wanted to travel to, but I think it's in the bottom. Wow, that's a very beautiful place, and well, it's like this. Oh well, it's not here. Well, I'm going to show you right now how to create your own diary. Well, I'm going to copy this thing because I don't want this video to be too long and boring for you. So, as I said, there are too many options to use here in Tumblr. Here's the text option, which I want to use right now, but I'm going to show you the other ones. Here's the photo option, where you can upload your own photos, or you can add a photo from the web. Here's the quote option. I use it very much because here I can, for example, happy moments, let's say, happy life. It's not inspirational at all, but let's do it like that. Source. Well, in this way, people is going to know who wrote the quote. But in this case, I'm going to discard this. Okay. Something went wrong. Well, let's post this. Even though no one's going to see this. Well, if you want, well, here is the post as I posted and I uploaded. Well, if you want to link something, for example, your Facebook profile because you want new friends, or your Twitter account because you want new followers, you click here and you paste the link. The chat. This is not a normal chat where you can communicate with other people. No, it's like a mini dialogue, and most people use it to use like funny dialogues. For example, Charles Dickens. If you can see here, it was the best of mimes. It was the worst of mimes. Well, it doesn't make sense, but okay. Here you can upload audio, for example, your favorite song and something like that, and the video. You can upload your own video or add a video from web, for example, YouTube. Well, right now I'm going to use this one. I'm going to add my title. Let's suppose it's Dear Diary. It sounds too much like the Vampire Diaries, but let's do it like that. Well, let's suppose I wrote this on my own, like very inspired and very like I have a lot of time. Yeah. Well, let's suppose this. Well, I have my own text, so I can edit it if I want. For example, like to mark the most important thing. For example, my dad always told me. Okay, this is the most important thing. So I'm going to make it bold. So people is going to see immediately, oh my god, this is the most important thing. My dad always told me that mom wanted us to be okay, and I was good with it. But I really miss her. Well, this is like the central idea of the text. Well, and if I want to make it like a secondary idea, I can do it by italic way. Like this. And let's see what the other options Tumblr gives to us. I can headline, well, like this. I can make it like a subtitle. Well, I just wanted to show you how to create this. I can add numbers if I want. For example, I want to create a very detailed list of what things do I need to do. I can do it by clicking on this button. And yeah, that's basically what I wanted to show you. Yeah, this. Well, and when you have your post ready and very great, very structured, without any mistake, you can come here, you come right now, like this, and you click on the button post. But for example, you have post like 5 things today, so you think, well, I need something to post tomorrow. Well, you can do it, and you don't need to return tomorrow and post it because, for example, you are going to be very busy. You are going to add here, click here, and you can choose to post now, add like to the list of posts that you want to post later, save as a draft, post privately, or schedule. With this, you're going to choose when you want this post to be uploaded. For example, I want this to be on Tuesday 10 a.m. Is it okay for me? So you can preview it on your blog. I'm going to give it like that schedule, but right now I'm going to post it because I want to show you how does it look. Yeah, that's basically. I can add tags as I said before. I'm going to add sadness because it's a sad moment, right? Well, and now I'm going to post it. And that's basically how you can create your own diary by posting every day. Or if you don't have time and you have like one day free, you can do by the schedule option. So this is going like to be uploaded every day, so your followers are not going to get bored and all that kind of things. So this is a very cool way to express yourself as you are without not worries that someone will come and criticize you. And for example, I didn't want anyone to know who I am, so I didn't wrote my name. I wrote Heart and Soul. I don't know why, because it doesn't matter. And you can do like an anonymous profile, but not that kind of anonymous, because the follower is going to know that someone is writing that post, but he or she doesn't know if the author of the blog is a woman or a man. So for example, I'm going to show you my profile because I want you to know how to edit everything on Tumblr. Well, if you can see here, it's the image that's behind my profile picture. I'm not showing my face, it's not me, obviously. And well, I can edit the font of my name. Well, there are a lot of options, but I really like this one. Here you can create like your own mini biography. Sorry, but nowadays teenagers call it bio. Well, here's my post. my posts. Well, I can change the color of the background if I want to. Going to show you, I really love that color, but I'm going to show you how. Oh my god. You can choose between all that range of colors. This one, this one, this one, or this one. Going to leave it on the one that I want. I think it was this one. Oh, no, this one. It was this one, definitely. Well, like that. And that's basically what Tumblr is about. So, well, it's important to know that this is not like a private kind of diary. Here is like a public type of diary, so that's the reason why you need to be very careful of the post that you want to post, because everyone in the world, every person, every woman, every man, every kid of the world can come here, search for your profile, and check your post. So it's very important to know the difference, because people get confused very constantly because of that. And well, there are a lot of apps that are very useful to this kind of like diaries, but I really prefer Tumblr because, as I said, no one knows who I am. So this is not like a dangerous thing. So, well, guys, I think that's all for today, and I hope you keep updated with my video tutorials. I'm going to be uploading very constantly as my Tumblr post. So I hope you enjoy it and create your own diaries, and please send me your profiles URL, I think, or link, so I can follow you and I can check all your stuff. So I hope you like it, guys. Bye.